Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's fast-paced digital world, the phenomenon of being ghosted has become all too common in modern relationships. Ghosting, which refers to the sudden withdrawal of communication without explanation, can leave individuals feeling confused, hurt, and abandoned. The emotional impact of being ghosted can be profound, often leading to feelings of rejection, low self-esteem, and anxiety. Many people find themselves questioning their worth and replaying past interactions in their minds, trying to decipher what went wrong. This experience is not just limited to romantic relationships. It can occur in friendships and professional settings as well, making it a widespread issue that many can relate to. In this video, we will explore effective strategies for handling no-contact situations. You will learn how to navigate the emotional turmoil that often accompanies being ghosted, and we will provide practical tips for moving forward. We will discuss the importance of setting boundaries, understanding your feelings, and finding closure on your own terms. Moreover, we will emphasize the significance of maintaining your mental well-being during these challenging times. It's crucial to prioritize self-care and seek support from friends, family, or even professional help if needed. By focusing on your mental health, you can emerge from these experiences stronger and more resilient. Join us as we delve into the complexities of ghosting and no contact, equipping you with the tools to handle these situations with grace and confidence. No contact is a term that refers to the deliberate decision to cut off all communication with someone, often following a breakup or a significant conflict. This approach can serve various purposes, including allowing individuals to heal, gain perspective, or establish boundaries. People may choose to go no contact for a multitude of reasons. Personal issues, such as mental health struggles or the need for self-reflection, can drive someone to distance themselves from others. Additionally, unhealthy relationship dynamics, like constant arguments or emotional manipulation, may prompt an individual to seek space for their own well-being. It's essential to differentiate between ghosting and intentional no contact. Ghosting typically involves a sudden and unexplained cessation of communication, leaving the other person in a state of confusion and hurt. In contrast, intentional no contact is a conscious choice made by one or both parties, often accompanied by a clear understanding of the reasons behind it. This approach can foster healing and personal growth, as it allows individuals to process their emotions without the influence of the other person. As we explore the concept of no contact, we encourage you to reflect on your own experiences. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where going no contact felt necessary? How did it impact your emotional state and personal growth? By examining these moments, you can gain valuable insights into your relationship patterns and learn how to navigate future interactions more effectively. Join us as we delve deeper into the nuances of no contact and its implications for personal development. Ghosting can be a confusing and painful experience, but recognizing the signs early on can help you navigate the situation with clarity. One of the most common behaviors that suggests someone is withdrawing from communication is a noticeable decrease in responsiveness. If your texts or calls go unanswered for extended periods, or if replies become increasingly short and infrequent, it may indicate that the person is pulling away. Other signs include a lack of engagement in conversations, avoiding plans that were once anticipated, or a sudden change in their tone, which may feel distant or disinterested. It's crucial to distinguish between temporary silence and actual ghosting. Life can get busy, and sometimes people genuinely need space due to personal issues or stress. Before jumping to conclusions, consider the context of your relationship and any recent events that might explain their behavior. This understanding can help you avoid unnecessary heartache and misinterpretation. As you assess these signs, it's equally important to reflect on your feelings and reactions. How do you feel when you notice these changes? Are you anxious, hurt, or confused? Acknowledging your emotions can provide valuable insights into your needs and expectations in the relationship. By taking the time to evaluate your feelings, you can better understand how to approach the situation, whether that means reaching out for clarification or preparing to move on. Join us as we delve deeper into the signs of ghosting and how to respond thoughtfully to protect your emotional well-being. Being ghosted can trigger a whirlwind of emotional turmoil, leaving individuals grappling with feelings of confusion, rejection, and sadness. When someone suddenly cuts off communication without explanation, it's natural to feel bewildered and question what went wrong. This uncertainty can lead to a deep sense of rejection, making you wonder if you were not worthy of a proper goodbye or closure. The sadness that follows can be overwhelming, as you may mourn not just the relationship but also the future you envisioned with that person. Processing these emotions in a healthy way is crucial for your mental well-being. One effective strategy is to allow yourself to feel your emotions without judgment. Journaling can be a powerful tool to express your thoughts and feelings, helping you to gain clarity and perspective. Engaging in self-care activities, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature, can also provide a much-needed emotional release and help you reconnect with yourself. It's important to remember that you don't have to navigate this experience alone. Seeking support from friends or family can provide comfort and validation during this challenging time. Talking about your feelings with someone you trust can help you process your emotions and gain insights into your situation. If you find that your feelings of sadness or confusion persist, consider reaching out to a mental health professional. They can offer guidance and coping strategies tailored to your needs. Join us as we explore more about the emotional responses to ghosting and how to emerge from this experience stronger and more resilient. Experiencing ghosting can leave you feeling lost and uncertain about what to do next. One actionable step you might consider is reaching out one last time to seek closure if you feel it's appropriate. A simple message expressing your feelings and asking for clarity can provide you with the answers you need to move forward. However, be prepared for the possibility that you may not receive a response, and remember that closure can also come from within. During this time, it's essential to prioritize self-care and personal growth. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment, whether that's pursuing a hobby, spending time with loved ones, or practicing mindfulness. Taking care of your physical and emotional health can help you regain a sense of control and boost your self-esteem. Consider setting new goals for yourself, whether they are related to your career, fitness, or personal interests, as this can shift your focus from the pain of being ghosted to your own growth and aspirations. Additionally, use this experience as an opportunity to evaluate your relationship patterns. Reflect on what you've learned about yourself and your needs in relationships. Are there red flags you overlooked? What qualities do you value most in a partner? By analyzing these aspects, you can gain valuable insights that will help you make healthier choices in future relationships. Join us as we explore more actionable steps to take after being ghosted, empowering you to move forward with confidence and resilience. Moving on from the experience of being ghosted can be challenging, but it's an essential step toward healing and personal growth. One of the most important aspects of this process is learning to let go and not dwell on the past. Holding on to feelings of hurt and rejection can prevent you from fully embracing new opportunities in relationships. Acknowledge your emotions, but also remind yourself that the past does not define your worth or future. By consciously choosing to release these negative feelings, you create space for new experiences and connections. Exploring new relationships and social connections can be a refreshing way to move forward. Whether it's joining a club, attending social events, or reconnecting with old friends, putting yourself out there can help you build a supportive network. Engaging with new people can also reignite your sense of excitement and joy, reminding you that there are plenty of positive interactions waiting for you. As you navigate this journey, it's crucial to highlight the value of learning from your experience. Reflect on what you've gone through and consider how it can inform your future interactions. What boundaries do you want to establish? What qualities are most important to you in a relationship? By taking the time to understand these aspects, you can foster healthier connections moving forward. Join us as we delve deeper into the process of moving on, equipping you with the tools and mindset needed to embrace new beginnings and create fulfilling relationships in the future. In this video, we've explored the emotional impact of ghosting and the various steps you can take to navigate this challenging experience. We discussed how being ghosted can lead to feelings of confusion, rejection, and sadness, and highlighted the importance of recognizing these emotions as valid. We also covered actionable steps to take afterwards, such as reaching out for closure, focusing on self-care, and evaluating your relationship patterns to foster personal growth. As you move forward, remember that prioritizing self-care is essential. Engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment can help you regain your sense of self and boost your confidence. Additionally, exploring new relationships and social connections can open doors to positive experiences, allowing you to build a supportive network. Learning from your past experiences will empower you to create healthier interactions in the future. We hope this discussion has provided you with valuable insights and tools to help you navigate the complexities of ghosting and no-contact situations. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more content on relationships and personal development. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more meaningful content and build a supportive community. Thank you for joining us, and remember that moving forward is not just about leaving the past behind. It's about embracing new opportunities for growth and connection.